Hello, welcome to GOT. Today we're going to open up the Pixel 8 Pro and compare it to the Pixel 6 Pro. We're just going to do a quick look at, unscripted, and then later on do a review on this thing fully. So let's check it out and compare it. So you've got the Pixel 8 Pro right here next to the Pixel 6 Pro, and slide up. Full disclosure, this is a simulated open box. I've already taken it out once already and set it up to spare us all that time. It has the USB to C to C cable. It looks like a USB A to C connector, and of course you got your little instruction manual with the SIM tool right inside. Instruction manual. Has anybody ever read one of those? I don't think so. Anyway, so that's what it comes in. It's all minimalized nowadays. So let's move that aside. So we have the Pixel 8 Pro, and if I just pull that off for a second time, we can take a look at them. Look at these things side by side. You know, the shape is quite a bit different. I don't know if you can really see it there online there, but this is very rounded. This is more squared. It didn't look that squared off when you compare it to things like the S23 Ultra, but it is pretty squared off, very rounded. And looking at this profile, I can see that it looks like it's a little thicker. And when you put them side by side, you can see it looks like, yes, the Pixel 8 is a little bit, 8 Pro is a little bit thicker than the 6 Pro. I don't know what the 8 was or the 7 was. Maybe one of you could tell me, was the 7 thicker than the 6? I guess I can look up the specs and find out. But that I wasn't expecting. I wasn't expecting it to be that much thicker. But it's not that big a deal. As far as weight goes, yeah, it's a bit lighter actually. I could feel the lightness in the weight. Yeah, it's definitely a lot lighter. I like this rounded screen. And then of course you look at the back. It's a much larger sensor on the cameras, and then of course it looks like the flash is quite a bit larger as well. Got the flash and then this thermometer thing. We'll get that in another video and test that out. But for now, let's check it out. The band is, it looks like the band is a little bit thicker here, probably so that they can put the bigger camera on it. But everything else is pretty much in the same spot as far as the buttons go. The buttons are in the same spot there. The band's actually in the same height. And then when you flip it over, the SD card slot, or the SIM slot is right there. Did I mention this is unscripted? I'm going to try not to edit much, so you're going to get all my boo-boos. So this is the black, and this is also the black. The difference is this new matted finish. You can see the glare in this one. There's no glare here in the Pixel 8. I kind of like that. Does it feel any different? It feels a little different. I can actually feel the G here. Can't feel it under on the Pixel 6 because it's underneath the glass. You can kind of feel the G here. Maybe it's just in my mind, but it seems like I can feel it. So it's a pretty nice feel, pretty nice look. Let's go ahead and boot these up and see which one boots up faster. I think we already know. And I've got the beta 14 on the on the Pixel 6 Pro, and this one out of the box comes with 14. Thank you for watching this quick video on the Pixel 8 Pro unboxing. Like I said, there'll be more to come. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll do a lot more tests comparing it with the 6, as well as the Z Fold 5 and others. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.